Top 7 symptoms of low testosterone. Most men ignore. Explain properly. 1. Diawas. Constant fatigue. You wake up tired even after 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Low testosterone affects energy production at a cellular level, so your body feels drained, not just sleepy. 2. Low sex drive. Testosterone directly controls libido. When levels drop, desire drops too. This is often one of the earliest signs. 3. Reduced muscle mass. You train consistently, but results slow down. Testosterone helps protein synthesis and recovery. Low levels make it harder to build or maintain muscle. 4. Increased body fat, especially stubborn belly fat. Low testosterone can slow metabolism and increase fat storage over time. 5. Brain fog and poor focus. You feel less sharp, forget things, or lose concentration. Testosterone supports cognitive function and mental clarity. 6. Mood changes. Irritability, low motivation, or even mild depression. Testosterone influences dopamine and mood regulation, so low levels can quietly affect mental health. 7. Poor sleep quality. You struggle with deep, restorative sleep. And here's the cycle: low testosterone worsens sleep, and poor sleep lowers testosterone even more. These symptoms don't always appear all at once. But if you relate to several of them, don't ignore it. Know your levels. Know your body. Get proper blood work before considering TRT.